all the blue has come off of here. Rich, does this come off? Is this a cap? I think it is. Yeah. Okay. All right. Here's another Amazon special.
Christmas in July special.
Right. We ordered some brakes. Rich did recognize Detroit Axle as a name, so I just went with them. And here's what came in the box.
Brake fluid. How is brake fluid for?
So
yeah, really good.
It came with this. It came with a big box and a small box. Yay! Box. Checking to see if the pads has wear sensors, because the back brakes has sensors, and if we don't do that, it's incorrect, I guess.
Yeah, see, they just snap right in the back of these. But sometimes they've been in there so long they just break.
They just break off. No, you told me that before. I remember that. Yeah.
So I don't know
if we should order them anyway. Gotcha. So this is the brake sensor.
We'd have to take the wheel off and see if how maybe gently we can get it.
These bolts look rusted.
Well, it's stuck. American car.
Oh. Rich said this is similar to the Volvo. They look bad. Okay, this is the sensor that we pulled out of the pad. It's only on the right side of the car, and now we put the new pads on. We just didn't want to mess up the sensor. That's what he was concerned about. All right, here's the bracket is off, and here's the new racing drums. That hurt it. Okay.
Take this and just hit real good hit on.
Brake pad on, complete different, brand new, but there are racing rotors. Vented rotors, and they're the same ones in the front. So it looks like they hadn't changed the back in forever. So bracket is back on. Rich is adding grease for lubrication, of course.
Pads touch.
It does look pretty. All right, she slid in. Now Rich is gonna tighten little piece. Yes, I did. Did not fit, so we're gonna make the hole a little bit bigger. And it's almost breaking. Driver's side, which does not have the sensor. So this one.
That one's out enough.
Wow, look at that, guys. Look how thin the pad is. Holy cow. A piece of the emergency brake came off. Oh, look, Rich. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're just gonna
clean it up.
Total?
Oh wow.
So, let's say if you don't use it, then
she's looking good. That looks so nice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this quick brake rotor how-to helps someone. Again, I grabbed them off of Amazon. It took less than an hour. These brakes look like they had not been changed in a very, very long time. This is something you definitely can do at home. And let's continue on with our project car summer project, or however that works. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye.